Adobe Express is a fantastic tool that offers a free online platform for creating stunning graphics, web pages, and AI avatars. With this AI, you can create an avatar with lip-syncing capabilities. Here's how it works. Open Adobe Express from the link in the description and log in with your Google account. After logging in, you'll see this type of interface. Scroll down to the Suggested Quick Actions section and select Animate with Audio. Here, you'll find a variety of characters to choose from, and you can also filter by category. In the Background option, you can add backgrounds or upload your own, and even add colors as a background. In the Size option, choose the size you need. For now, I selected YouTube, but you can choose according to your preferences. To generate an AI avatar with your voice, click the Browse button, select the voice file you want to use, and wait a few minutes. Note that you can upload a file up to 2 minutes long and 1 GB max. After a short wait, your avatar will be generated successfully. Let's see how it looks.
So, that's how you can generate avatars by using Adobe Express.
It appears well, with the AI avatar syncing perfectly with your script. That's how you can create an avatar for your YouTube videos using Adobe Express.